Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. So today we're going to the Lindt factory shop in Aachen. It just takes about 17 minutes from the place that we live in Netherlands. So let's see you guys there. Sun is out, yay! We arrived now at Lindt factory shop. We came here before year 2019. It's less price here. We're here now. This is, I think, the factory. Lindt. And here we go. Factory, no? Huh? Workers? Buying chocolates for pasalubong. Ta-da! Lindt. Here. La, here. Forgot. Entering the factory shop of Lindt. Ingang, entrance, ingang, entrance. Have it? Or this one? Yeah, hey, welcome to Lindt. Oh, Lindt. Daming chocolate. Look at this. Dun, dun. Different varieties. Vegan. Almonds. Had a 50% cacao, or 60%, 70%, 78, 85, 85, 90. This is 99% cacao, 100% cacao. Cacao pour excellence. Swiss premium chocolate. It's €1.89. 1.55. I love this one. Lahat ng cacao. Choose your chocolate. Hazelnuts. Ang dami. Cherries. There's some fruits in here. Chocolate. Malulula. You get confused what you want. These are nice. Something like this. Chocolate. In a cone. Some hearty chocolate. In this one. Okay. And some here. It's 21 euro. Creamier, like Nutella. Lindt. Fondue. Look, it's a chocolate. This one has a mix of dairy wine, so you cannot buy this one. There's some small boxes. Different. And this one, like this. So many stuff. Chocolates. There's this one stuff. It's 10 euro. Nice stuff. Oh, chocolates. Oh, my goodness. A lot of stuff. You don't know what to buy. Hmm? So all this one, all chocolates. Look at that. This is my second time here. Look at this one. So gorgeous. Delicious. Look. Sakit ngipin. Nice wrap. It's wrapped nicely. And there's some big boxes too. No, God. Prowlens North. 4 and 19 euro. We're done in our chocolate shopping. Not too much because it's heavy. We're done?
You're done.
So we're done. And we get our coffee latte here at Lindt.